Pack from JRG. We're gonna open it up, see what we got. I'm super stoked on this collection. I love the art so far. Love JRG's music, as well as he's been on the CXC collection before. So, you know, I would be showing support anyway, but double support for our boy. Oh, shit. All right. That was pretty cool. Yo, shout out JRG. Oh, man, that one's dope. All right. Yo, shout out JRG for doing big stuff, making incredible things. Everything he's putting out is high quality. Yeah, dude, I'm stoked to get this guy right here. I'm definitely happy. Love the beard. It's dope.